Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're gonna do an unboxing and it is an exciting day for me. This has been on my wish list when it came out and it doesn't have the BB size, so I was just like admiring it and trying to contemplate if I need it in my life or not, though I think I really need it in my life. When they were able to release this BB size, it's just like my heart just leaped out from my chest and I cannot stop thinking about it. So I went to the store and looked at this purse and what it looked like, and I just bought it. I just bought it right away. They only have one in stock, so this was ordered and was shipped out for me, and here it is now, and let's open it together. And I am just so excited. The one in the store has a little dent, that's why I didn't bring it home. So I waited a few days for it to arrive, and here she is. Okay guys, do you know what this is? This is the new release. And here's the box. This is the mini luggage BB and it is just so cute. Just remove this one. I am just so excited. I've never been obsessed in a purse for a long time, such as this one. Like, I try to convince myself that I have a few pieces of monogram and I don't need this, but here I am still ending up getting it, and this is it guys. Let me know what you think of this, okay? Let's open it together. And this is the mini luggage BB. Oh my god guys, this is just so cute. God, I love it. Like, the workmanship is just amazing. And this also came with a graphite, which is very beautiful. But when I was so obsessed with this before, I was really thinking of this same look, like the monogram and the baqueta and the look of the luggage. So even though the graphite is just so pretty and so unique and very limited, I opted for this one because I can just feel the history of Louis Vuitton on this purse particularly, that I am just so happy by the way it look. I also thought of this vaqueta like a lot, but if you were gonna go back to the luggage or the suitcase that was released by Louis Vuitton 1950s or even before or after that, it looked like this, like exactly like this. So I just don't want that look to be taken away from this particular bag, that I am just happy by the way it came out. So let's look at the strap. So this is treated vaqueta. Everything was stitched well. Let me see. The store in the store was in here. So far the strap is okay. So it has two zippers, so one here and one here, and it has a vaqueta zipper pull. So inside it looks like this, and it's pretty big. Let's do the what can fit inside on my next video. So this one is the, I think, is it the lock and the keys? Yes, so this is the lock that goes with it, and it has a clochette as well, and I think this is the keys. What is this here? Yeah, there are two keys inside. And I also love that the clochette has an LB hardware. So let's try it on. It also has two slip pocket, one here and one on the other side. And let's see where this is made from. and it's made in France, and it smells really good. Like it's just pure luxury. This is a little pricey, or it's not even little, it's pricey for a non-leather purse, but the one that sold me to get this is just the look and the history behind it and the cuteness of the purse, and it's just structured. I don't know, I don't even like structured purses, but this is just a special purse to own. This is also a part of the fall collection, fall winter collection, and I think it was also featured in the latest fashion show in the runway. It also has like the mini one that first came out, and I find it too big, so this is just a perfect size. So I put the strap on the second hole. So it's on the second hole. I'm 5'4", so we'll see it on me. It is just so pretty, just so pretty. It's just amazing. Like I have a mirror here in front of me and looking at it now. I think this is just a dream purse to own, in my opinion. Like it's just like scream Louis Vuitton. For me, like the history behind it, it's like compressed in one purse, and this is it. It's well made. The look is just so cute. I can just, like, I am lost for words. It's just so pretty. I've never seen a very pretty purse that I'm really obsessed with in the longest time. Like all of my purses that I have, like it just sparks joy for me, but this is like it sparked joy like 10 times more for me. I guess you know what I mean, guys, when I describe it like that. Like it means that I really love this purse. It's just so cute. It's just so cute. This is just like another level. Cuteness and workmanship is just so pretty. So pretty. You just have to see this in person for you to appreciate it. If you appreciate it in the picture, wait till you see it in person. Like the bag has a different vibe to it. Like it is just so charming and pretty that you just have to bring it home. Like I just stayed at the store for the short time. Like I just went there to look on what it looks like, and I end up paying for it. So now that it's here, like I am just so happy. It is so funny also that me and my friend have been talking about a particular purse that we are lusting for the moment, and I mentioned to her that I really love this purse, and she, like, it sparked her interest on this particular purse, that she went to the store and take a look at it, and she ended up buying one as well. She got the graphite, and she's very happy to add it to her collection. That's why I'm telling you guys, like, if you just go to the store and take a look at this, you may end up getting one as well. The price of this purse is $3,150 US, retail plus tax, and it's the same price as the graphite. The leather ones are 3,400. I love the canvas pieces more than the leather ones, especially this monogram, because it's just a timeless classic piece that you can own for years and years to come. I am thinking that I could get another Chanel purse with this, but this is just beyond the look of the purse. Like, if you love a classic Louis Vuitton, this is it. I'm gonna show you the close-up of this mini luggage BB. So the clochette has an LVR hardware. The front was stitched really well. The craftsmanship of this purse is just amazing. And I love that it has hardware on the top portion of the purse as well. The back part looked the same as in front, and I like that the Louis Vuitton pattern is not upside down, and the bottom has feet to protect your purse. Inside has two slip pockets, and it has a vanilla color lining, and the strap has 5 holes, and I put mine on the second hole, and I am 5'4". This is just a pretty purse to own. I will still try to see how much can fit, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And again, thank you so much for sharing this unboxing with me and sharing happiness with me in owning this purse. And I'll see you again next time, okay? Bye.